Hi, are you looking to switch careers? Worry about AI replacing your current job? Let me show you why Tim Bodycare Massage Academy is the top choice to launch your new future in Malaysia. Our SKM-3 and DKM massage therapy certification programs are designed for people exactly like you, career changers ready for practical, skilled, future-proof work. We offer world-class ISO 9000 training, blending hands-on instruction with AI-enhanced tools. More importantly, we do not just teach you massage skill, we empower transformation from jobless to confidently earn 5,000 ringgit plus per month, from uncertainty to certified professionals. When you join Tim Bodycare, you get a few good points. Number 1, comprehensive SKM and DKM certification. Number 2, access to over 300 industry partners for employment and job placement. Number 3, experienced and expert instructor and mentor-apprentice training. Number 4, job placement and business coaching, how to start your own business. Ready to reskill and thrive? Visit massage.com.my to register. Book your spot for a next intake for SKM or 3 or advance yourself to DKM-4 certification. Take control of your future. Learn a skill that no AI can replace. Join Tim Bodycare Massage Academy today. For more information, please visit massage.com.my. And if you like this video, please remember to like, follow and share. Thank you.